Hello everyone, my name is Jackie Fleury and I am the current president of the PharmD class of 2024. First and foremost, I want to congratulate each and every one of you on your acceptance to the program and welcome you to what is sure to be one of the most memorable experiences of your life. I just want to briefly introduce you to the e-board and the role we play within the school. We are a student government made up of 7 individuals, myself as president, Vice President of Internal Affairs, Hassan Reda, Vice President of External Affairs, Sandy Nusa, Secretary, Caroline Simcoe, Treasurer, Josephine Cipriano, Webmaster, Thomas Whaley, and Historian, Joseph Paul Javier. Together, our goal is to provide structured leadership and maintain professional communication between the class and faculty. We strive to promote and maintain a well-functioning relationship amongst the students and between students and faculty as well. If you have any questions regarding the e-board, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. My email is listed on the bottom of the slide. Again, congratulations, and we look forward to hopefully meeting you all this upcoming fall semester.
Hello everyone, welcome to FharmPhest. I hope your day is going well so far. I know when I was in your shoes, I was filled with excitement and I was looking forward to starting my pharmacy career. So first and foremost, I'd like to extend my congratulations to each and every one of you. I want you all to know that being here today is a great accomplishment and I know you've worked very, very hard to get to where you are. I'd like to introduce myself. I am the president of Wayne State University's chapter of APHA ASP, also known as the American Pharmacists Association, the Academy of Student Pharmacists. My name is Mustafa Zadi. I am a P3 student here at Eugene Applebaum. AAPHA ASP, in collaboration with SMPA, or the Student Michigan Pharmacists Association, is one of the largest student pharmacist organizations at Wayne State University. It consists of 12 officers, 11 committees governed by 11 vice presidents, and over 200 student members each year. We do represent student pharmacists at each level, at local, state, and national levels, and we have many opportunities to get involved in all aspects of pharmacy. These opportunities will enhance your leadership, your communication, and your professional skills. I can tell you, APHA is an amazing organization to be part of. I know it has taught me a lot over the years and will continue to make me a better pharmacist even far after I graduate. If you guys do have any questions, please feel free to jot down my email, send me a question. I will reply. I'm always happy to help. And once again, congratulations to everyone. Thank you all for listening and have a wonderful rest of your day.
Hello, my name is Fatima Shaitu and I am the current president of the Arab American Pharmacists Association at Wayne State University, also known as AAPA. Today I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about our organization. So AAPA is a community-oriented, nonprofit organization that coordinates various events throughout the school year, including community service opportunities, educational events, and fundraisers. We're part of 2 other student chapters. One is located at Ferris State University, and the newly formed chapter is located at the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. Our parent chapter is located in Dearborn, Michigan. In here on the lower right-hand corner, you can see a picture of our logo. This is a list of our current e-board for the upcoming year. Feel free to reach out to anyone from our e-board if you ever have any questions regarding AAPA. Signing up to be a member of AAPA is super easy. And our organization is actually one of the few where membership is free. We're also open to everyone regardless of what our name says. We accept all of our applicants. There's also several benefits to being a member of AAPA. You'd get first access to our event signups, free admission to our annual dinner at the end of each academic year, usually held at Habhab's Cuisine in Dearborn, the opportunity to earn a scholarship, and a great opportunity for leadership. AAPA offers a $1,000 scholarship to the top 15 to 20 most active student members. Our scholarship is based on member points. Our secretary keeps track of each member's points, and the scholarship is presented at the annual dinner at Habhab's Cuisine. Unfortunately, this year there was no dinner due to COVID, but you can see a picture from the 7th annual Scholarship and Appreciation Dinner on the right-hand side. Another program we maintain within our organization is the P1 Outreach Committee. This is an early opportunity for a leadership position for a first-year student. It's a very not work-intensive position, and students are able to get a feel for board positions. They work closely with the current president and president-elect. It's a great opportunity for networking as well as getting involved with the organization. So these are a couple of photos taken at some of our past events. On the right, you can see a photo that was taken at FharmPhest. Usually, we would hold FharmPhest in the Commons area at the Eugene Applebaum College of Pharmacy. Unfortunately, it's being held right now this year. So on the left-hand side is a photo that was taken at the festival, usually held on main campus at Wayne State University every year for upcoming students to get to know their organizations. We host a booth at Festival to advertise our next event called Meet the Dean. So every year we hold an event called Meet the Dean. It's aimed at pre-pharmacy undergraduate students to get the opportunity to sit down with the dean of our school, ask him any questions about the application process, about the program, and to get a tour of the building. So if you know anyone that's interested, please feel free to reach out to me or anyone on the e-board for further details. Unfortunately, this event will also be held online due to COVID this year. Another one of our annual community service opportunities is the AAPA Flu Clinic, which is held in coordination with CVS Pharmacy. It's located at Hype Athletics in Dearborn Heights, and it's held every October. So another event that AAPA holds is the Michigan Antibiotic Resistance Reduction Events, also known as MAR. In these events, we go around to different Dearborn public schools and we educate students about antibiotic resistance and the importance of proper hygiene. These last two photos were taken at Salina Elementary School at our last MAR event. Each year, AAPA hosts two different seminars. In the fall semester, we usually host a pharmacy profession seminar, and in the winter semester, we host a culture and safety seminar. Two of our most popular events are our fundraisers. Shawarma Day and the Mediterranean Breakfast Fundraiser each take place once a semester. Usually, they're a P1 outreach project, so our P1 outreach program takes over. Led by the president-elect, our P1 students talk to vendors and reach out to students to advertise the events. Last but not least is our point milestones. So our secretary keeps track of how many members have how many points, and at 7 points, each member receives an AAPA pen and a goodie bag. When a member collects 14 points, the member receives an AAPA lanyard, and at 21 points, the member receives an AAPA counting tray. So that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions, please feel free to contact me on Facebook or through email, and thank you for listening.
Good day, Wayne State Warriors. My name is Joseph Paul Javier, and I'm the incoming president of our college's chapter of the Academy of Managed Care Pharmacy, or AMCP. While most pharmacists are traditionally employed in a community or hospital setting, your PharmD degree allows you to pursue several non-traditional career paths. These include working at a health plan like HAP or Blue Cross Blue Shield, jobs in pharmacy benefit management, or even the industry side of pharmacy. These opportunities fall in the scope of managed care. Managed care is an organized approach to healthcare delivery that seeks to improve the quality and accessibility of healthcare, including medication therapy, in a cost-effective manner. AMCP's mission is to empower its members to serve society by using sound medication management principles and strategies to improve healthcare for all. In managed care practice, you will apply clinical skills to optimize patient outcomes and lower medication therapy costs for the patient and the healthcare organization. Whether you plan on pursuing a career in managed care or want to learn more about AMCP, all pharmacists can benefit by understanding the concepts of managed care pharmacy. And learning managed care principles as a student will help develop and further your career no matter which field of pharmacy you choose to practice. As a member of the Academy of Managed Care Pharmacy, students will have exclusive access to AMCP's targeted resources like information and education, networking, professional development, advocacy, and the prestigious P&T competition. The Pharmaceutics and Therapeutics Competition, or P&T competition for short, is an annual team event designed to provide an immersive experience in the skills necessary for effective formulary review and management. This year, our Wayne State team competed against 64 teams representing pharmacy schools from all over the nation. This was the first time our Wayne State AMCP chapter joined the P&T competition, and our team took home second place overall. We have big plans for the upcoming year and hope to see many of you at one of our meetings. If you're interested in pursuing a career in managed care or want to see if managed care pharmacy is the right path for your future, please email me at joseph.paul.javier@wayne.edu and see what AMCP can do for you.
Hello, pharmacy student class of 2025. My name is Alvin. I'm the former president of Christian Pharmacist Fellowship International, Pharmacists in Christ chapter of Wayne State Pharmacy School, and today I'm going to talk to you about our organization.
So, who are we? Simply, we are a worldwide ministry of individuals working in all areas of pharmaceutical service and practice. Our members are representative of a broad range of Christian denominations, and we are the first viable network of Christian pharmacists. Our core values through our members' meetings, we provide godly encouragement and fellowship. We do promote spiritual growth. We encourage the advancement of knowledge and talk about ethics in practice. And if there is a soundbite for our core value, will be the integration of faith into the pharmacy practice. Our beliefs. As Christians, we believe in the Bible, Word of God, as an authoritative rule of faith and conduct, and we believe in one God, maker of all things, eternally existent, as the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, which is also known as the Holy Trinity. We also believe in the deity of our Lord Jesus Christ, true man and true God, conceived of a Holy Spirit, born of a Virgin Mary. And in conclusions, I'll leave you with this. With them, we have a purpose to help, love, and give with all our hearts. Thank you.
Hello, P1s. My name is Ali Kanafer, and I'll be the president of FAWN in the upcoming year. FAWN is a non-profit organization started by Pastor Frank Julian in 2001. The objectives of FAWN at Wayne State is to raise funds, provide liquid nutrition for people living with HIV/AIDS in the sub-Saharan Africa, promote healthy lifestyles throughout the community. What we do is fundraiser events like the annual SOO fundraiser, nutrition education at Vista Maria, volunteer opportunities at the World Medical Relief, and educational seminars, and all are IPPA approved. For more information, feel free to join our Facebook group, which is WSU FAWN Fighting AIDS with Nutrition. And our Instagram page is fawn.eacphs. If you have any questions or you're interested in joining, feel free to contact me at ali.kanafer@wayne.edu. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhargav Kovru. I am the current president of IPHO, which is the Industry Pharmacists Organization here at Wayne State University. First and foremost, I'd like to congratulate all of you to getting into pharmacy school. This is a great achievement, and honestly, doing this in the times we are in is really good and really big props to you guys. So a little bit about IPHO. IPHO is an organization whose pharmacy members or pharmacy students are universally recognized within the pharmaceutical industry. Um, Pharmacists are deemed to be the most professionally equipped to contribute to the development, commercialization, promotion, and optimal use of medicines. So there's different functional areas that pharmacists can provide their expertise in, such as medical affairs, medical science liaisons, market access, regulatory affairs, marketing, and scientific communications. So these are just a few avenues that pharmacists can pursue a career in, but usually I've seen a lot of different pharmacists in different companies have various completely different titles, and they are well versed and well equipped to perform these duties. So IPHO brings in a competitive aspect to which offers like more opportunities for pharmacy students, especially in the saturated market we're in. If students are interested in something different than the traditional routes, such as community pharmacy or inpatient hospital pharmacy or outpatient hospital pharmacy, IPH is a great first step into learning what we are. So if you guys are interested in IPHO and have any questions for me, you can be sure to email me at fw3625@wayne.edu at any time, and I would love to answer your questions. And since we are a new organization, our first set of recruitment starts this fall. So I'll be sure to update you guys throughout the year as to what our events are, and I hope to see most of you guys there. Thank you and congratulations once again for this great achievement of getting into pharmacy school.
Hi, incoming P1s. My name is Noah Trotter, the president of the Mu Omicron Pi chapter of Kappa Psi Pharmaceutical Fraternity. I want to extend my congratulations on your accomplishment of making it into the Doctor of Pharmacy program here at Wayne State. Under normal circumstances, I'd have the opportunity to be at the podium presenting to you the benefits and opportunities that come with joining this organization. But unfortunately, due to the state of the pandemic, this is the best we can do right now. But without further hold up, let me walk you through the key pillars that ground our fraternity and some of our proud accomplishments in the previous year. First, philanthropy is a driving force among all active brothers. It bridges our presence in Detroit with our knowledge and learning of pharmacy to be able to give back to the community and ultimately make Detroit a prosperous place. In the past year, we assisted in founding a diabetes clinic in partnership with World Medical Relief through the midst of a global pandemic to provide diabetes education, services, and medication to an underserved population. This goes hand in hand with our community service at sites in and around Metro Detroit, whether it be collecting and donating food supplies to fight food insecurity and hunger, to other things like clothing and medical supplies, and much more to provide for those truly in need. For fundraising, we've been known to have some of the most exciting fundraisers at the college, from selling custom crafted sweets and donuts to custom pharmacy apparel that will have you looking fresh and proud to represent pharmacy. Our networking and social events are second to none. We have a prosperous pool of alumni across all fields of pharmacy who are just a phone call or a text message away. Our social events include an annual Halloween party for the entire school, as well as seminars at the school sponsored by notable faculty and individuals on topics like COVID-19 to finance specifically for pharmacists. And last but not least, brotherhood. Our fraternity has a rich history dating back to the year 1926 when our chapter was founded. Recently this month, I'm proud to say that we celebrated our 95th year anniversary of the founding of our chapter. So far, in 2 short years of being a brother, I've been grateful to learn from and get to know on a personal level a tremendous group of gentlemen and alumni who all work towards the same goal of bettering each other in the field of pharmacy. I look forward to the opportunity to meet with all of you in person one day, and thank you for listening.
Hi everyone, my name is Jewel Kanja, president of Lambda Kappa Sigma, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you guys about LKS and what you can expect to get out of becoming a member in the fall. So just a little background of LKS. We provide lifelong opportunities for women in pharmacy through professional excellence and personal growth. We are sisters leading with integrity, inspiring excellence, and making an impact on the future of pharmacy. It was founded in 1913, and we currently have 25,000 members across the country with 45 collegiate chapters and 36 alumni chapters. We love to focus on sisterhood as one of our most valuable aspects of being an LKS member, as it helps us to create a lifelong bond with one another and network with alumni. Some of our sisterhood events include picnics at Dr. O'Connell's house, holiday parties, planned outings, and events co-hosted with Kappa Psi. We start our sisterhood events early, so keep an eye on your class Facebook page for events we will host over the summer to get to know each other. Leadership is very important to us as well, as elevating women in pharmacy takes great leaders. To make sure we develop into strong leaders, we have 14 e-board positions and 4 committees to be a part of. It has also been true that we have a high average of members that get inducted into Phi Lambda Sigma, the National Pharmacy Leadership Honor Society, as 6 of the 18 members who were inducted this year were LKS members. We also pride ourselves on the service we provide to the community. We have a national philanthropy called Project Hope that provides worldwide medical relief, and on a more local level, we focus on Vista Maria, a home for girls that have experienced homelessness, abuse, and hardships in their life, as well as World Medical Relief, Children's Hospital of Michigan, and more. Scholarship is important to us as well, as we do hold ourselves to a high academic standard. To make sure this is accomplished, we hold study sessions throughout the semester to allow P1 members to get the help they need from P2 or P3 sisters. We also have a higher rate of admittance into ROCHI, the National Pharmacy Academic Honor Society, and offer national scholarships and grants. Last but not least, we pride ourselves on the integrity we all hold to keep ourselves accountable for all that we stand for and represent. We accomplish this through monthly professionalism seminars and events. If you have any questions or want to chat, please do not hesitate to reach out to myself, Jewel, or our Vice President, Paige Hankey, through Facebook or email, and follow our Instagram page to keep up with what we have going on over summer and throughout the school year. I look forward to hopefully meeting some of you in person, and I am wishing you all the best as you start your pharmacy school career.
Hello, my name is Melinda Nazi, and I will be talking about Phi Lambda Sigma today. Phi Lambda Sigma is the National Pharmacy Leadership Society. Its mission is to support pharmacy leadership commitment by recognizing leaders and fostering leadership development. We want to recognize students for their leadership efforts not only during the academic career, but also in the community. Our organization is unique in the fact that we are made up of distinguished leaders from all the pharmacy organizations at the college, including APHA, AAPA, LKS, and many more. PLS goals. So goal number 1 is to ensure the continuing availability of student and practitioner leaders for the profession of pharmacy. Goal number 2 is to acknowledge leadership achievements and award membership to leaders recommended by the society. Goal number 3 is to enhance the talent, skill, and effectiveness of leaders for the profession of pharmacy. Goal number 4 is to support and encourage sustained leadership commitment. PLS provides you a fostering environment where you will be able to connect with different leaders, bounce ideas off one another, and learn from their leadership experiences as well as your own, and obtain skills that will allow us to strive as incredible leaders in the pharmacy field.
If you do end up joining the organization, you are able to run for e-board. The positions include president, president-elect, secretary, treasurer, and historian.
So there are different fundraisers, but the fundraiser that we're most known for is the mac and cheese bar, which different members within our society make mac and cheese, and we're able to give them to students within Eugene. And the white coat clipboard is something new that we started and everyone seems to love. It's great material that you can reference while you're on rotation, or if you're volunteering, or even if you're going to an interview, you can kind of store your papers within this white coat clipboard. So I highly encourage you to get a white coat clipboard. We will be providing you with this in the beginning of the semester, your P1 year. If you have any questions, feel free to contact any of the members about the white coat clipboard. We also have different events within PLS. One is the interview seminar, in which a professor comes in and discusses the different skills you need when going into an interview. This not only includes how to talk, but also how to dress and what to expect when going into your interview. The second event we have is the CV and Letter of Intent seminar, in which you can submit your CV and Letter of Intent, and different professors can review them and let you know what you need to change or what you need to fix. The lastly is the Community Apple Days, which we kind of play a pharmacy Jeopardy, and this event is to increase awareness of career opportunities in the health sciences to diverse populations of students. There are also awards within PLS, so we have won 2 national awards for faculty members, one for Dr. Wilhelm and one for Dr. Miller. The one for Dr. Wilhelm was the Faculty Advisory of the Year Award, and the one for Dr. Miller was the Procter & Gamble National Leadership Award. This is given annually to an individual who has exemplified leadership qualities in support of the pharmacy profession. There's also a Member of the Year award, which was given to Annie, and there's also an Alumni of the Year. When it comes to meetings and retreats, there is a national meeting within PLS. This meeting happens within different states. Unfortunately, this year it did have to go virtually. There's also a national PLS Collegiate Leadership Weekend Retreat. This helps you with your leadership development, team building, and exploration of personal goals and motivations. This year it would have been the second annual retreat, which would happen in May. Unfortunately, it had to get canceled. However, this also happens in different states, and it helps build you as a leader.
If you do happen to have any questions, feel free to contact either Melinda or myself, Emily. You can do this through either Facebook or email. I have listed them both here for you, and we are looking forward to working with you to help develop and grow our leadership skills.
Hello everyone, and congratulations on your acceptance into pharmacy school. This is going to be but the beginning of an amazing chapter in your lives. My name is Matt Gemin, and I am the former president of the Rokai Society. We are an academic honor society in pharmacy that encourages and recognizes intellectual achievement. At the beginning of your winter semester in P2, the top 20 students academically in your year will be invited to join our society. Normally, the main focuses of our organization revolve around tutoring and educating P1 and P2 students and providing community service in underprivileged clinics. The latter portion of volunteering, along with our annual Pasta Lunch fundraiser, was canceled in the previous year due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but the availability of these events are subject to change during this upcoming year. The biggest contribution to pharmacy that our organization is involved in is the P1, P3 mentorship program. All P1 students are matched with a P3 student mentor, and they will be responsible for shadowing their mentor during their 4th year rotations. This program allows P1 students to gain some insight into the pharmacy program and to learn more about the profession from a more experienced student. The current president of the society is Vasil Rushi, and the vice president is Miranda Barco. Their contact information is provided on this slide. Please feel free to contact them if you have any questions about our society, about P1 tutoring availability, or about the mentorship program. Thank you, and good luck in your first year.
Hello P1s, my name is Zahali Aldu, and I am the president of the Student College of Clinical Pharmacy, or SCCP organization. First of all, I want to congratulate you all on your admission to pharmacy school. This is a huge step, and you should all be proud of yourselves. You have all worked so hard to get here, so congratulations. So first of all, if you are curious about clinical pharmacy, residencies, or research fellowships, you should become a member of SCCP. Our organizations hold a lot of events that pertains to the clinical and research side of the pharmacy. So if you want to learn about the clinical pharmacy and research, we hold specialty seminars where we bring in pharmacists and faculty members who talk about their positions in different areas of the pharmacy. We also have residency mentorship program where we pair you up one-on-one with a resident mentor who will serve as your guide throughout pharmacy as well as your professional career. If you are interested in the research side of the pharmacy, we also hold research panels and workshops. We also have Jeopardy-style journal clubs that pertains to the P1 and the P2 class. If you are interested in practicing your patient care skills, we also have community service opportunities that we hold throughout the year. And if you are interested in being involved on the national level, the ACCP, we also hold ACCP Clinical Research Challenge and ACCP Clinical Pharmacy Challenge. So we compete on the local level for each one of these challenges, and the winning team will go on to compete on the national level. There's also the ACCP meeting that is being held in Arizona this year that also will have an opportunity for you to network with other ACCP members as well as pharmacists. Finally, if you are interested in being more involved within this organization, you can become part of the P1 Outreach Committee or the Research Committee. We will be accepting 4 P1s into the P1 Outreach Committee and 2 P1s into the Research Committee this coming fall. If you have any questions about how to become a member of SCCP, or if you have any questions about SCCP in general, you can contact us. Our emails is on the bottom. Again, thank you and congratulations to you all on your admission to pharmacy school.
Hi everyone, I'm Marissa, the former president of Student National Pharmaceutical Association, also known as SNAPA. SNAPA is an educational service association of pharmacy students who are concerned about pharmacy and healthcare related issues and the poor minority representation in pharmacy and other health related professions. The purpose of SNAPA is to plan, organize, coordinate, and execute health fairs and events geared toward the improvement for the health, educational, and social environment of the community. In this organization, we focus a lot on volunteer opportunities involving the underserved, and you will incorporate a lot of what you learn from classes such as patient care lab in these volunteer opportunities. I hope you're eager to join.
Hello everyone, my name is Brooke Penny and I am the president of SPDC. As an organization, we aim to provide opportunities for student pharmacists to become culturally competent healthcare providers. This is done through 2 avenues: educational seminars and community outreach events. For our seminars, previous examples include a discussion on values, a presentation on intersectionality, and a facilitation on microaggressions. For our community outreach opportunities, these occur in underserved communities where we provide medication counseling, blood pressure and glucose readings, as well as vaccinations. Another component of our organization is our SPIN program, which is where we give pharmacy students the opportunity to serve as mentors for the community by helping pre-pharmacy students with their personal and professional development. Overall, we aim to promote diversity throughout the college, and I hope that you will join us by attending our seminars, volunteering at our service events, as well as applying to be either on our P1 Outreach Committee or applying to be a SPIN mentor. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me or join our Facebook page for more information. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Haifa and I am one of the founding members of this student organization that I would like to introduce you to. Our organization is called the Student Pediatric Pharmacy Association, which is also known as SPPA, and here at Wayne State University we are also called the Pedia Warriors. So our mission is to encourage as many members interested to explore the pediatric pharmacy by providing necessary tools and knowledge to excel during clinical rotations and co-curricular experiences. We want to try and educate the community and future healthcare professionals about the importance of pharmaceutical care concerning pediatric patients, as well as educate families about appropriate medication use through selected activities. We also want to try and target current issues in pediatric pharmacy and how to care for them. As I said before, SPPA is a new organization and it has just started in January 2021. So this is our first e-board for the organization, and it consists of the immediate past president, the president-elect, secretary, treasurer, fundraising chair, as well as the volunteer chair. We also have what's known as the P1 Outreach Committee, and it's basically a group of members that represent the organization in front of the P1s and help gain interest in new members. It's usually 4 P1 members, and it's open for P1s only. So the events that we have had so far include the Pediatric Pharmacy Q&A with Dr. Salmir Mahmudovich, who's a Eugene Applebaum College of Pharmacy and Health Science alumni and a current pharmacist at the Detroit Medical Center, Children's Hospital of Michigan. We've also had the Vaccine Hesitancy Seminar with Dr. Cheryl Zoff, who's a drug information pharmacist at the Detroit Medical Center, Children's Hospital of Michigan. We have a few events coming up. Some include the Poison Control Education for Parents of Young Children, as well as MAR, which stands for Michigan Antibiotics Resistant Reduction, events in middle school that targets hand hygiene and disease spread, as well as naloxone training and overdose prevention. So here is our membership and contact information. So we've included our Facebook group, and it is Pedia Warriors, SPPA at Wayne State University. And we've also included the link to the Facebook group below. And you can also feel free to contact us on just Facebook or even through email at pediawarriors@gmail.com. Please feel free to reach out to any of us if you have any questions, and we'd be happy to help you. And welcome, and we are so excited to meet all of you.
Just a little background on what the organization is. The local chapter, Wayne State's SSHP, helps embody the national mission by advocating and supporting health system pharmacists, hospital pharmacists, ambulatory care pharmacists, and really to educate other students as well on hospital pharmacy. Just a little look on the past events. One of them is tour of the DMC, and this is where students can go and listen to specialty pharmacists talk about their day-to-day lives, as well as have a tour of the DMC pharmacy and see the workings behind it. So it's really cool to see. And the last one is the residency information seminar, which is very helpful because preceptors come and tell students what their expectations are and what they look for in a candidate, which really helps when applying for a residency. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or the President-elect Stammer. I have our emails up here, and you can also contact me on Facebook. It's just my name. And I hope you all consider joining this organization. Again, it's very helpful, especially if you're looking to go into hospital pharmacy. And good luck to you all in the next 4 years.
Hello everyone, congratulations and welcome to your first year of pharmacy school. My name is Ayah and I'm the current president-elect for the World Health Student Organization. Our mission is to provide students with local and international community service experiences to serve unique patient populations while strengthening clinical skills. We provide free medical care to underserved populations both locally and internationally. We do this through various medical mission trips to different parts of the world. In the previous years, we've hosted dental mission trips to Jamaica. However, this year had to be canceled given everything that's happening with the pandemic. But for those of you who are interested, we're hoping we can get that back up and running again this year and then every year after that. We try to provide medical supplies, medications, and immunizations for our nearby communities as well as communities abroad. We do this by volunteering at the World Medical Relief Center, where we personally sort through the medical supplies so that they can be organized and shipped abroad. We also focus on community education. We give seminars on various healthcare topics. This year it was mostly centered around COVID because that's the public's greatest concern at the moment. And then we also give presentations at Vista Maria. This year our presentation topic was over-the-counter products. And then we also try to fundraise money through bake sales like our coffee and donuts bake sale, as well as our big grilled cheese fundraiser. The money we raise is used to provide medical relief to our local and worldwide communities. Again, congratulations on your acceptance to Wayne's PharmD program. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me by the email provided in the PowerPoint. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Supreet Kaur and I'm the president of Wayne State Interprofessional, also known as WSI. WSI is the organization that coordinates a CHIP clinic once a month, and CHIP stands for the Community Homeless Interprofessional Program Clinic. CHIP is a free interprofessional student-run clinic that serves homeless and underserved patients in the city of Detroit. It's a great way to work with and learn from different health disciplines, and the 4 health disciplines that are involved in CHIP include pharmacy, medicine, social work, and physical therapy. A brief overview of the in-person clinics and the pharmacy student involvement include conducting medication histories, and there's also a small supply of over-the-counter medications that we're able to dispense to the patients that we see there. Due to the pandemic, we actually had to put a pause on all in-person clinics and we shifted to virtual CHIP clinics instead. So during the virtual CHIP clinics, we would have 2 disciplines present on a particular topic, and then this would be followed by a patient case. Everyone that attended the clinic would be put into breakout rooms where they would discuss the best way to manage this patient, and then at the end, we would all group together and discuss the best ways to manage the patient as a whole. So this was a great opportunity for pharmacy to really talk about the impact that they can have in patient care. And I know I learned so much from medicine, social work, and physical therapy in terms of the services they're able to offer and how they can help the particular patient in the patient case. So I really like that. And it's also a great way to really just work with different health disciplines, because in healthcare, you're part of a healthcare team. So this is a great way to get exposure for that. I'm really hopeful that in the next few months, or maybe even sooner, we're going to be shifting back into in-person clinics. So please stay tuned for that. And I just wanted to say thank you for giving me your time.